Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to make a Python robot and how to store the movements of the robot into a text file, and I will also show you how to play back the movements again and again. So here we have the program. I have this switch, in fact it's track bar, to switch between recording and playing back. So first of all I will record the movements. In the same time you will see the robot is moving. In this case I will use my keyboard to control the robot. I am pressing W and Z, W. Okay, go. Okay, then I will stop the program, and you will see here we have a lot of letters. F is for forward, and B is backward, and X for stop, L left, R right. Okay, now we will use these values, these letters, and we will send them again to the robot. Let's see how. So now I will switch to playback, and let's see the result. So yeah, first we will discuss the Arduino's code. Okay, we need the software serial. This software serial is to use the Bluetooth TX and RX will be connected to pin 10 and 9. Then we have 4 pins for the motor driver, and we have the value, the speed. In my case it's 200. We initialize the buttons, we initialize the serial, the Bluetooth, if the serial is available. In this case it's the Bluetooth serial. So if the serial got the R letter, go right. If the serial got L, left, and so on. And we have 5 functions, one for the right movements and one for the left movements, and forward, backward. Then we have stop function. It's not that complicated, it's very easy. So let's see the Python's code. As usual, we will need serial and the tick enter for the GUI, and we will need time. So after making the frame, the widget, we will have a small frame, and I will put the buttons on this frame. Then we initialize the serial communication. My Bluetooth is as COM9. This COM9 is my Bluetooth, and you can check that. Go to the Bluetooth, more Bluetooth options, and you will find the COM. In fact, you will get two COM, but the COM with this div B is your COM, okay? This one. So this is the frame, this is the buttons, but now I am using the keyboard. This scale track bar is to switch between recording and playing back. So this is the buttons, but we didn't use the buttons. This is the track bar. You see here, I called it switch. Then we need to open a file. This file, make a text file, or it will generate this program will generate the text file automatically. So this is the forward. We will store F letter to the text file, then we will send the letter to the Arduino, to the robot. This is when we store the data to this movement txt. We have 4 functions: forward, backward, right, left, and stop. And you see here in this function activate is to use the keyboard. We have W, Z, A, and S, and of course we have stop. If you noticed here, stop, we will send X. Stop. If the letter is not R or L or F or P, it will be X. So we will stop. Then we need counter. The counter. Then we will read the file. We will read the file 2 times. One time is to get the lines, every line on the text file, and the second one is to get the length of the file, because when the counter is like this counter will be +1 every time. Okay, so if the counter is bigger than the lines, we will get an error. After that, we will reset the counter. This is to repeat the movements many times. After that, we will send the data from the file to the serial. Okay, because we read lines from the file, we will put the val with the counter as a list. So this is to switch using the scale if the scale is smaller or smaller than 40, put this function read from file, or is if the switch value is greater than 60, we will put the function activate. And of course we will need delay here to refresh the window, and that's all. You can make this project very easily. So yeah, thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Good luck.